Hi, did you watch the concert? Did you watch the concert? Yeah, can I have quick question?
Yes.
Yeah. What's your name? Where are you from?
I'm from Taiwan.
Wow.
We are Taiwan.
Taiwan 18. Wow. You went here for
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, did you go last night? Day one?
Yes, yes,
How was it now? Day two?
yes. Yes. No, today's day one.
Yeah, today. Yeah, because new day.
Day one, yes, today's day two.
Thank you for correcting me.
Yes.
How was it the day one, which is the original, the first day?
I'm a day one or day two, so very, very exciting. Amazing.
Yeah. Who's your bias? And I know who is
Justin.
Justin. Why Justin?
He's so cute.
Yeah. And the Dunka, right? Dunka. And about you? Yeah. Pablo. Why Pablo?
Is so smart, and the singer is very. It's very good.
Yeah.
Sing is good.
Yeah.
Dance is good.
All. Yeah.
All good.
Yeah. It's his birthday today. Yeah.
Yes, birthday today.
Yeah. What's the message to him?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Pablo.
Wow.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
Pablo, happy birthday! This my Pablo birthday card.
Oh. Wow.
It's
That's
our
what they call
Taiwan
it.
thing.
Oh, that's so meaningful.
Yes.
Right. Chase your dream with us.
And this logo is me.
Yeah, hot dog. Yeah.
Yes, it's me. The logo is
So
me.
cute.
And then, that is me. Two cats.
Yeah, because
It's our kids.
he has two kids.
My kids.
Yes. That's so cute. Okay, so you're going to Taiwan where?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
We'll come back to Taiwan.
Wow. And then they were going to go to I think Asian Artist Award in Taiwan. Yeah.
Taiwan, yes.
Yeah.
December.
Yeah,
April.
December.
Yes, we have to go in Taiwan, Kaohsiung.
How's maybe how's SB19 in Taiwan?
Very popular. I think so.
Thank you very much for supporting SB19.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Sabi po.
Wow.
Experience.
Ayan talaga pagkatagpa ni Ariel.
Yes po.
Ang galing. Since when ka naging fan ng SB19?
If I may not, last April.
Last April.
Yeah.
Ano yung nagawa sa'yo ng SB19?
Actually, sabi nga ni Pablo, yung music nila, malalaman mo in times na parang down ka. Doon ko siya na alam mo yung feeling na suicidal na talaga. Dumating ako sa point na ganun down. Opo. Tapos dahil sa music ni Pablo sa kanila, nabuhayin ako. Para siyang hindi ko ma-express, pero nakaka ng puso. Dahil sa kanila, nandito pa ako. Ayun, yun lang.
Message mo sa SB19?
Boys, sana lahat ng mga visions nyo matupad. Alam ko naman na kayang-kaya nyo yan at mapagtatagumpayan. Sama-sama tayong lahat. 18, nandito lang kami para sa inyo. Yun.
Thank you. Anong name mo?
Karen po.
Ay, taga saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Sa Isabela po.
Isabela. Ayan. Thank you, Karen.
Opo,
Karen. Totoo, ganyan. Anong seat nyo? Anong seat nyo kanina?
Dito pa ako sa regular seated, pero kitang-kita ko sila.
Kasi nga, very intimate lang yan. No?
Opo.
Yes.
Kaya parang sabi ko, first part nag-video ako, pero nung hindi na ako nag-video kasi in-enjoy ko na lang. Opo, kasi baka next, sabi nga nila, mas malaking venue na, so baka hindi na ganun kalapit.
Yan din sinabi ng day one. Usually, sana Hong Kong Stadium na.
Ayun nga po Go po siya.
Ayan, anong name mo ate?
Eileen.
Taga saan ka?
Cavite.
Yes, Packer.
Diba? Ayan. Dahil birthday ni Pablo.
Continue sa paggawa ng music at saka sa bigay ng inspirasyon sa amin. Sobrang happy birthday, Pablo.
First time mo rin sila nakita at na-meet, na-perform?
First nung sa airport.
Isa kayo doon sa
Yes. Then ngayon, first time. First concert ever.
Wow.
And sa SB19 lang.
Oh, congratulations. Na-meet nyo sila. Birthday pa ni Pablo.
Yes. Then, yung maganda and also, supportive din yung aking employer.
Ayun.
Yes.
Kamusta yung mga fans ng mga Chinese mismo?
Actually, may nakatabi ako. Taiwanese siya. So, tinanong ko yung experience. Sabi niya, it's very, sa iba, hindi daw niya nafe-feel yun. So, I asked her if galing pa siya sa ibang staff. And sabi niya sa akin, yes. And she will go to Japan daw and Taiwan.
Grabe siya.
For the AAA. Ayun sinabi niya.
Asian artist.
Oo, tapos meron pang isa from France. Yeah,
Wow,
from France.
global na talaga.
Yes po, from France. Tapos sabi niya, and she's 18 way back daw 2 years ago. So, mas matagal pa siya sa akin.
Diba?
Sabi ko,
Thank you, Thank you so much.
ay, bongga, super. Super po yung experience kasi bagong tao. Tapos, na-experience ko agad yung sabi ko, ay, shit, pwede na ako humimlay.
Taga dito ka?
Opo.
Oh, first time sila nakita.
First time ko silang makita. And very supportive yung boss ko kasi siya yung bumili ng ticket ko. Binili niya ako ng red.
Ikaw ba? Ayan.
Subscribe ata ako sa'yo, hindi ko lang.
Yes, kamusta yung concert?
Okay lang, grabe, saya!
Yes, sana all.
Si Pablo.
Birthday message mo kay Pablo.
Good health and more blessing and I love you so much. Grabe.
Yes, di ba?
First time ko na manood ng concert, tapos first time ko maging fangirl.
Oh my God. I'm happy for you. Diba? Agad dito ka nag-work.
Yes, dito.
Kamusta yung mga 18 dito sa Hong Kong? Marami na ba?
Marami, grabe. Sobrang dami.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ayan, ito naman mga fans ni Pablo. Siya pa birthday niya today and tonight. I mean, today and tonight. Ayan, there's so many and I like the logo talaga. Ayun naman kay Josh. Ayan. Ayun, Justin naman yung sa kabila doon. And then Ken.